Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Multi Productions. I'm Kishore. So today we're going to be doing some more rifle hunting in Deer Hunter 2014. So let's go. So I'm in region 13 right now. I have GNH R100, the rifle. So let's go hunt. First we have to kill 3 elder blacktail gazelles. We'll get 30,000 bucks for that. Oh, that was close. Okay, we got a body shot. And the hunt is complete. Okay, let's take care of some of them. Okay. We need 312, so let's see, we need 98 stability, 98%. Okay, we might need to do some 3 more upgrades, so we'll try doing like 2 today. Okay, headshot. So let's continue. Okay, next hunt, stampede hunt. Let's kill 4 Saigon antelope. We have a lot of power in our rifle, so it's going to be easy. Okay, body shot. I know that the whole body. I shot somewhere, so anyways, body shot. Another body shot. And there we go. Hunt is complete. And then we also leveled up. We got level 48, which is awesome. We also earned 1 golden coin. Now we have 2. Let me do this predator hunt. So kill 2 Asiatic black bears. So Gobi Desert is in Mongolia. So Mongolia is in Asia. There's so many Mongolian references in this actually. There are like 2 trophy hunts with the name. Okay, let's go for this. Okay, we got the lung shot and the hunt is complete. We got 28,854 hunter bucks, which is decent. We have a lot of energy left. Okay, we had to kill 7 golden takins. So let's kill them. Whoa. Okay, the final tack-in. We're going to kill the final tack-in. Let's see what shot is it. Okay, body shot. There we go. We won't get any bucks for that. Okay, the hunt is complete. We got 2 lung shots. Okay, next 5 Mongolian elk. Let's go. Okay, lung shot. This time we got the lung shot. We got 5 bucks for that. Okay. We got 4 lung shots this time, which gave us 20 bucks extra. Now predator hunt. Kill 3 grey wolves. Okay, I'm going to add this. The scenery looks so nice. You can see the nice scenery. Okay, let's actually go for the next one, onslaught hunt. Kill 6 young black-tailed gazelles. Let's go for it. Shoot. Not looking good. Okay, I'm going to use a sports drink. Okay, I had to waste a sports drink there. It was kind of tough. Let's finish up our upgrades. Okay. Let's go for this Mongolian elk hunt, stampede hunt, which we had to kill 5 Mongolian elk. Stampede hunt. It's a stampede hunt. Okay, we got the lung shot and hunt complete. Okay, now I think we can do the upgrade. No, we need a bit more bucks, some more bucks. Let's do this rare hunt. We'll also get a map piece to a hidden region. I don't know which one. $10 for the hard shot. And then we got a bounty. Whatever. Okay, let's see. Okay, I guess this one. Who knows? Oh, we got for Ruins of Carpathia. Okay, Ruins of Carpathia. I got for that. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay, let's finish this up. Okay, body shot, headshot, and then lastly we got the lung shot. Okay, this time we got 1 hard shot and 2 lung shots. That's not bad. Okay, now we're going to kill 7 Kashmir goats. Okay, let's kill the final goat. Oh shoot, that was close. Okay, now I'm going to do the final shot. There we go, we got a lung shot. Oh, that is a hard shot. I didn't see that coming. Okay, one of both hard shots and lung shots. Now let's upgrade. Let's kill 4 Saiga antelope now. Okay, let's kill the final one. I can still see the beautiful scenery. So Gobi Desert is awesome. It's kind of like deer in 2016. I don't know. Beautiful sceneries. Okay, now we have to kill 10 bar-headed geese. Okay, I got the shotgun. Let me actually go with the rifle. Okay, just leave it. We actually got 11, but it says 10. We actually got 11. I just realized, let me get this bounty we got earlier. I remember we got that. Yup. Let's claim the reward. We got 4 golden coins. Let's do the next rare hunt. Even this is actually a nice scenery. But I don't understand one thing. This is supposed to be a desert, so how is there ice in here? Oh shoot. I'm not getting this. Okay, I'm going to use the sports drink. It's kind of tough. Okay, there we go. We got a lung shot. Oh, that's another hard shot. We're getting a lot of hard shots. Okay, the final hunt of this episode. Let's go. This desert still looks awesome. It kind of looks like there are canyons over here. Kind of looks. I don't know, I'm just saying. These things are so fast. It's damn tough. Oh, finally something. Shoot. Okay, I give up. Guys, anyways, I'm going to end the video here. Let me see if I can actually do the upgrade. Oh, there's only 1,000. I'm only 1,000 away. But anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video. So thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share, and favorite. Apart from that, goodbye and peace out.